C. Health. Good habits. Hi students. To live well in a healthy way in a society, money alone is not enough. We should have to follow good habits. Good habits are essential for becoming a better human being. They bring smooth interrelationship among the people in the neighbor and finally in a country. They make a man well-mannered and loved by all. In this lesson, we will discuss about some of the good habits you must maintain.
C. Health. Good habits. Health is wealth, say our elders. We should keep our body clean to be healthy. Let us see how we can keep our body clean. Teeth. We have to brush our teeth as soon as we get up in the morning. We should also brush them after supper. We should not eat more chocolates because they rot our teeth. It is better to clean our mouth after eating sweets. We should not use rough material to brush teeth. Eyes. Eyes are important organs of our body. We should clean them with cool water as soon as we get up in the morning. We should remove dust and rheum from them. When dust falls in our eyes, we have to wash them with water. But we should not rub them. When we read any book, there should be enough lighting. It is not good to read in dim light or while traveling. It is better to keep a distance of 30 centimeters between our eyes and the book. We should watch the TV from a distance of 3 meters. If there is a glowing bulb in the room where we watch TV, our eyes do not get tired. It is not good to look at the sun directly at noon time. Nose. We should clean our nose regularly. It is not good to put fingers, pencils, etc. in the nose. We sneeze when we get cold. We should keep a handkerchief at our nose when we sneeze. We breathe through our nose. So, we should not cover our face completely with a blanket while sleeping. Ears. We should clean our ears regularly. We should not put things like sticks, pencils, etc. in our ears. When we hear loud sounds, we should close our ears. Otherwise, our eardrum will be affected badly. It leads to deafness. Skin. We should take a bath both in the morning and in the evening. We should use a soap to clean our body. Otherwise, our body emits bad smell. If we do not take a bath daily, dirt and dust particles will be settled on the body. As a result, we may get different skin diseases. We have to take a head bath regularly. He is Ravi. He is studying second standard. He gets up early in the morning. He brushes teeth and cleans tongue. He washes eyes and face with cool water. He uses a soap to take a bath. He combs hair neatly. He wears washed clothes. He wears shoes or sandals and goes to school. He plays in the evening. He takes a bath again in the evening. He does his homework and studies for some time at night. He writes and reads under bright lighting. After taking supper, he brushes his teeth again. Then he goes to bed early at night. To remove dust collected in nails, he cuts short his nails. He takes a head bath regularly.
We should not use public places to urinate or to excrete. Toilets should be used for that purpose. We should wash hands and feet after using toilet.
We should sit erectly in a chair such that our back should touch the chair completely. It is not good to bend sidewards or forward. We should maintain erect posture while standing or walking. We should balance our weight equally on two legs when we stand. If we follow all these habits, we can lead our lives happily. Health is wealth.
Do these.
1. Fill in the blanks.
Conceptual understanding.
Two. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets.
Conceptual understanding.
Oh no, do it again.
Three. Answer the following questions in a word or a phrase.
Conceptual understanding.
4. Answer the following questions.
Conceptual understanding.